The first step in this journey is understanding the law of attraction and how it applies to your financial situation. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. This means that the thoughts and feelings you consistently hold about money will shape your financial reality. If you believe that money is scarce and hard to come by, you will continue to experience scarcity. Conversely, if you believe that you are deserving of wealth and abundance and you expect it to come to you, you will start to attract financial opportunities and prosperity. To begin, take a moment to reflect on your current beliefs about money. Do you find yourself thinking thoughts like, "I never have enough money," or "wealth is only for a select few"? These limiting beliefs can create a mental block that prevents you from achieving financial abundance. It's essential to identify and challenge these beliefs. Replace them with positive affirmations such as, "I am worthy of financial success," and "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Changing your mindset isn't something that happens overnight. It requires consistent effort and practice. One powerful technique is visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living in abundance. Picture the lifestyle you desire, the things you would buy, and the experiences you would enjoy if money were no object. The more vividly you can imagine this reality, the more your subconscious mind will begin to accept it a truth. Another crucial aspect of attracting wealth is gratitude. When you focus on what you already have and express gratitude for it, you shift your energy to a higher frequency. This higher frequency aligns you with the vibration of abundance. Start a daily gratitude practice by listing things you are grateful for, including the money you already have, no matter how little it may seem. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your mindset and your ability to attract more wealth. Your relationship with money is also influenced by your self-worth. Often people who struggle financially have deep-seated beliefs that they are not deserving of wealth. It's important to work on building your self-esteem and recognizing your inherent worthiness. Affirmations can be helpful here as well. Remind yourself daily, "I am deserving of all the good that life has to offer, and I am worthy of financial abundance." Taking inspired action is another critical component of the law of attraction. While positive thinking and visualization are powerful tools, they must be accompanied by action. This doesn't mean you need to overwork yourself or take desperate measures. Instead, look for opportunities that align with your new positive mindset about money. Whether it's applying for a new job, starting a side business, or making investments, take steps that move you closer to your financial goals. It's also essential to manage your money wisely. Being responsible with your finances shows the universe that you respect and value money, which can help attract more of it. Create a budget, track your spending, and make informed financial decisions. This not only helps you manage your current resources effectively, but also prepares you to handle greater wealth in the future. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences can make a significant difference. Seek out people who have a healthy relationship with money and who can offer support and guidance. Avoid those who constantly complain about money or who reinforce negative beliefs about wealth. The company you keep can either lift you up or bring you down, so choose wisely. Another powerful practice is to give freely. It might seem counterintuitive to give away money when you're trying to attract more of it, but generosity creates a flow of abundance. When you give, you send a message to the universe that you have enough and that you trust in the infinite supply of resources. This act of giving opens up channels for receiving, whether it's donating to a charity, helping a friend in need, or supporting a cause you care about. Giving can enhance your own sense of abundance and attract more wealth into your life. It's also important to pay attention to your emotional state. Emotions like fear, worry, and stress can create resistance to the flow of abundance. practice techniques to manage stress and cultivate a sense of peace and well-being. This could include meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. When you feel calm and centered, you're in a better position to attract positive outcomes. Another aspect to consider is the power of your words. The language you use when talking about money can significantly impact your financial reality. Avoid phrases like, I can't afford that, or money doesn't grow on trees. Instead, use empowering language such as, I choose to spend my money wisely, or I am open to receiving wealth in all forms. Your words have power, so use them to create the reality you desire. It's also beneficial to set clear financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially gives you direction and purpose. Write down your financial goals, whether it's saving a certain amount of money, buying a house, or achieving financial independence. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps and take action toward them consistently. Remember, the process of attracting wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about creating a life of abundance in all areas, including health, relationships, and personal fulfillment. When you focus on overall well-being and happiness, financial abundance often follows naturally. It's also essential to be patient and persistent. Changing your mindset and attracting wealth takes time. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but it's important to stay committed to your goals. One more crucial aspect is forgiveness. Holding on to past financial mistakes or harboring resentment towards others can create blocks to abundance. Practice forgiveness both towards yourself and others. Let go of past grievances. Move forward with a clean slate. This act of forgiveness can free up energy and allow more positive experiences to flow into your life. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate each step you take towards your financial goals, no matter how small. This helps to reinforce positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Celebrate your successes and use them as a reminder of what you are capable of achieving. In conclusion, the journey to financial abundance starts with a shift in mindset. By understanding and applying the principles of the law of attraction, you can transform your financial reality. This process involves changing limiting beliefs about money, practicing gratitude, visualizing your desired outcomes, and taking inspired actions. Begin by reflecting on your current beliefs about money and replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Visualization is a powerful tool to create a mental image of the abundance you seek. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your ideal financial situation in vivid detail. Gratitude plays a crucial role in attracting wealth. Focus on what you already have and express appreciation for it. This shifts your energy to a higher frequency, aligning you with the vibration of abundance. Maintain a daily gratitude practice to reinforce this positive mindset. Your self-worth is directly linked to your financial success. Build your self-esteem and acknowledge that you are deserving of wealth. Use affirmations to reinforce this belief, such as, I am worthy of financial success. Taking action is essential. While positive thinking and visualization set the foundation, action brings your goals to fruition. Look for opportunities that align with your new mindset and take steps towards your financial objectives. Whether it's seeking new job opportunities, starting a side business, or making wise investments, inspired action is key. Managing your finances responsibly demonstrates respect for money, which attracts more of it. Create a budget, track your spending, and make informed financial decisions. This not only helps manage current resources, but also prepares you for greater wealth. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out individuals who have a healthy relationship with money and can offer support and guidance. Avoid those who reinforce negative beliefs about wealth. Your environment can significantly impact your financial mindset. Generosity creates a flow of abundance. By giving freely, you signal to the universe that you have enough and trust in the infinite supply of resources. This act of giving opens channels for receiving more wealth. Support causes you care about and help those in need to enhance your sense of abundance. Manage your emotional state. Emotions like fear and stress create resistance to abundance. Practice techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature to cultivate peace and well-being. A calm and centered state attracts positive outcomes. Be mindful of your language when talking about money. Avoid phrases that imply lack and use empowering language. Words have power, so choose them wisely to create the financial reality you desire. Set clear financial goals. Having a vision of what you want to achieve gives you direction and purpose. Write down your goals and break them into manageable steps. Take consistent action towards these goals. Focusing on overall well-being attracts financial abundance. When you prioritize happiness and health, financial prosperity often follows. Patience and persistence are crucial. Changing your mindset and attracting wealth takes time. Stay committed to your goals and trust the process. Practice forgiveness. Let go of past financial mistakes and resentment. Forgiveness frees up energy, allowing positive experiences to flow into your life. Celebrate your progress, acknowledging each step towards your financial goals. This reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. In summary, attracting the money you want involves a holistic approach that includes changing your mindset, practicing gratitude, taking inspired action, managing your finances wisely, surrounding yourself with positive influences, giving freely, managing your emotional state, using empowering language, setting clear financial goals, focusing on overall well-being, being patient and persistent, practicing forgiveness, and celebrating your progress. By incorporating these principles, you can create a mindset and environment that attracts financial abundance and allows you to live the prosperous life you desire. As you reflect on these messages and how they resonate with your own journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights in the comments below. How have you accepted the universe's abundance in your life? How do you find harmony and balance? Your stories inspire us and others, fostering understanding and growth. Let's continue this conversation and uplift each other. Comment below and let your voice be heard.